A farm tour today. This is gonna be epic. Let's get started. First animal on our line is our chickens. Got them right here. And yeah, they're pretty cute. I'm gonna see you guys at the next animal. Here's the next animals. The goats. They're right there. Sad story about this goat. When she was born, her name's Emma. When she was born, her eyes didn't fully develop, and so she's blind, but she's learned to just navigate through it. Hey, Priscilla. This is Priscilla right here. Hey, love you. Yeah, I love you. I love you, girl. Yeah. Oh my gosh, you're all harassing me. All right. See you at the next one. Quickly wanted to show you a project we started working on a while ago. It's been the 48 hours. Should be all set to walk on. That's been 48 hours. And we got all this put in. This was like more than a pallet worth of concrete. It was such a pain to do. Alright. Oh, and here's our garden. It's all decked out. Let me show you what we have in the back. My favorite part about our garden is that in the back, look at this. We got a sunflower going. It's right now pointing towards the sun up there. Bit bright. But yeah, let's get back to it. See you at the next animal. Alright, the next animal we have is our sheep. We're testing out this new fencing we got. Not sponsored, by the way. I'm just testing it out. It works pretty good so far. They haven't tried to get it out. We got the cows in the back. Oh, there's one. Her name's Ginger. Where's the other one? I don't know. Wait, where is the other one? Is it behind the hay bale? It better be. Oh, there she is. Can't show her in the camera right now. But yeah. We got the sheep everywhere. Cow in the back. For a ram named Ramsey. There's a ram. Alright. See you guys at the next animal. Unfortunately, this animal, pretty shy. Was I standing in the ant mound? I guess I was. Alright. There are guineas. Spread out in the field. Let me see if I can get them. Almost all of them in there. There we go. Yeah. Alright. I can probably walk to the next animal and not have to cut the video. So, yeah. Shush! I'm not giving you food. Sorry about the sheeps. Yeah, this is my life. Oh, yeah, now I can show you our white cow. There she is, right there. Her name's Winter. I was able to name her. I just said I'm not feeding you! Here's our turkeys. Oh, they're still going off. Don't know if you could hear them. Those two right there are the mean ones. They really attack us, and like, we were super nice to them. Oh, here's our baby piglets. Right here. Pig. Or baby piglets. That's our big mama. Right there. What we did for our shelter is we just built a nice simple shelter that's going to stay there. And we just built it. And then on the inside, we split it. I can't really show you. They're kind of harassing me. But right in the middle there, we split it. And then one side for when the pigs are young, we blocked it off so they can get in and get food. Sorry, the mom doesn't steal it all. From here, you can actually see the goats. Right there. Oh, that one right there, that's in the center, is our fainting goat. And so all the way down there is where our next animals are, which are the other pigs, and I'll see you over there. Alright, guys, we're almost there. Oh, I hear zapping. Hopefully that doesn't mean a part of the line isn't touching anything. Yeah, so we set up a line, goes down all the way to our pond over there. The pond's in a shape of a horseshoe, which is my favorite. Right there's Malfoy, our duck. He's on a little platform. Where are you, piggies? I'm looking for the piggies. Pig, 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 pig. Dang, they digged up some wiring. Pig, 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 pig. Pig, 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 pig. Oh my gosh. They're running down the hill. They're coming. I wouldn't touch the line. It's like 10,000 volts. That'll hurt. A little piggy. Here's our other pigs. We got 4 of them back here. We got a bunch of bread that we have that's like out of date that we got for free, We'll just feed them it every once in a while. Well, they really like it. They'll eat it all. Well, we will feed them grain when we have to when we're out of bread. And what's cool is we were able to order these simple waters. Well, we didn't order them really. We built them more. So we just got this big bucket, right? Now you see we ordered these parts for it. I don't remember what they're called, but when the pigs tap down, it gives them water, and we give it to them. It'll last them actually around a week, 2. Depends on what season it is and where you live. Anyways, I'll see you in a little bit. Back at the cows with the sheep and their shelter. I just wanted to point out what we did for their shelter is we just simply built a frame and then put a panel over like these little panels right here we have, and then we just put it over and put tarps on and strap them down. Pretty simple. And I wanted to real quick say, anyone knows, let me know in the comments below what we should do with this pallet. That is, if you can use the comments. I don't know if it'll let you. But anyways, we're back up here. There's our bale of hay. We're going to get rid of it sometime because it's rotted before you could feed it. Sheep also got their own bale of hay. I don't know if you saw that. Hello, piggies. Please don't get shocked. We also got some flowers in our garden bed. All right. I'm gonna go right over here to here. And then back to the goats. I wanted to come back here to show you how cute he is, how big he is, how scary he is. All right. Come here, little bud. Come here, bud. I can touch you. I have you. I own you. You better listen. I own you. Okay, never mind. How? We threw you in like 3 times already, chicken. How are you keep getting out? Be right back, guys. All right, we got them back in. I tried anyways. And well, guys, unfortunately, that's going to have to be the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace, and see you next time.